In 1846, 87 pioneers set out for California. They never made it. The Donner Party became trapped in the Sierra Nevada mountains when an early blizzard hit. What followed was 18 weeks of pure horror. Families starved. Then they began eating their own dead children. Survivors kept detailed journals of their descent into madness. They documented who lived, who died, and who they consumed to stay alive. When rescue teams finally arrived, they found these journals scattered around makeshift camps. The accounts were so disturbing, many were hidden from the public for decades.